Hey Divas, so your girl has just styled her hair. I know a lot of you have been wondering what my hair has been looking like lately, how it's been acting. It's been pretty normal. So if you are new to my channel, I do want to show you guys how I style my hair. And so if you are interested in the products that I use or how I get my hair so sleek and straight, definitely keep on watching. Okay, so for those of you who are new to my channel, I want to show you my Holy Grail products. And for my shampoo and conditioner, I do use the Organix brand. This time I am using the argan oil of Morocco kind, but I have switched off using the keratin oil as well. I also use the EveryStrand deep conditioner along with aloe vera juice that you can purchase at any of your natural food stores. So I will be washing my hair in the sink, so bear with me, the camera angle isn't the best, but just want to show you guys how I wash my hair. So first things first, I want to get my hair completely wet, and this is the best way to give your hair moisture. When your hair is thirsty, when your hair needs that moisture, the best thing to give it is water. No lotion, no conditioner, give it water. Now that my hair is completely drenched, I'm going to add my shampoo, and again I am using the Organix shampoo in the Argan Oil of Morocco brand. So from here I am just massaging my scalp and also doing a little bit of scratching and kind of, just getting that dirt off of my scalp. I like to concentrate on the scalp of the hair and let the shampoo run through my strands. Seeing that your strands will already get coated with shampoo, there's no need to put shampoo on your strands. So I like to just focus on my roots. From here, I'm going to rinse out all of the shampoo, and then I'm going to wring out the water so that I can apply my conditioner on damp hair. The key to a good condition is to make sure that you have concentrated a lot of the product towards the ends of your strands. Seeing that it is the oldest part of your hair, you want to retain that length and give your hair some extra TLC. So just making sure that you bring that conditioner down from root to tip and really focus on those ends. As an added bonus, I like to use the EveryStrand deep conditioner as well, and I just apply this on my hair from root to tip as well. I really like this deep conditioner because it also brings my curls back. Seeing that I wear my hair straight a lot, I find that when I use this conditioner, it helps me bring those natural curls back after I rinse it out, and I really like how my hair feels afterwards. The last step to my Holy Grail regimen is to apply aloe vera juice, and I like to just completely drench my hair and my scalp with it. I keep this product stored in my refrigerator so it is freezing cold, but cold moisture is perfect for your hair because it locks in the moisture on the cuticle and in your scalp. So it's best to use cold water and cold products when you are conditioning your hair. From here, I like to just gather my hair forward and prepare it for deep conditioning with my shower cap. So I like to just apply that onto my head and keep it on for about 30-45 minutes. An hour would be perfect, but it's not always ideal. So I let the conditioner sit on my hair for 45 minutes, and now I'm ready to rinse it out with cold water. But first, I just want to show you guys what my hair looks like with the product in it, and then I will also show you an after I rinse. Alright, so I'm going to just speed through this process and rinse my hair, and then I will show you guys what my hair looks like. Alright, so this is what we're knocking on right now. Like I told you guys in my past videos, I do have that front piece that is not curly because it is heat damage from my past. I did mention that I didn't want to cut that off until it grew a little bit longer, seeing as though it'll make my flat irons look a little crazy, so I decided to hold off on cutting that section. Next, I will be detangling, blow drying, and flat ironing my hair. I will say that detangling has been made so much easier with the combination of products that I use, and I really enjoy this part, this process of my hair because it's very quick, very easy. I generally can do this entire process from detangling, blow drying, and flat ironing in less than an hour. So I don't really have long wash days like I used to back in the day because I finally found a process that works for me. So here my hair is completely detangled. Next, I'm going to add some heat protectant and blow dry my hair. I did have some shedding because I have not been combing my hair. I've been kind of leaving it in a ponytail with braids, and so yeah, when you don't comb through your hair, you do get those shedded hairs caught up in your ponytail, so be mindful of that. So here I am blow drying my hair after I applied my heat protectant, and I'm using my Golden Hot titanium blow dryer that I did a video on years ago, and I like this blow dryer, so it really gets the job done. So I'm gonna go ahead and just blow dry my entire head, and then I'll be right back. Now, you don't have to blow dry your hair. You can definitely air dry doing some type of banding method, which will allow you to air dry your hair out and stretch it without having any heat applied. But for me, I find that this gives me the best sleek results, and this is just my personal preference, so I like using heated tools. From here, I'm going to just section and part off my hair so that I can start with flat ironing in different sections. One thing I really love about my hair is it's very thick and it's very easy for me to get body with my hair. I'm able to do a lot of things. It has a lot of versatility. I can wear it straight and sleek, and I can also wear it curly, big, however I like. So I really like that about my hair. It has been growing tremendously these past few months. If you look at a lot of my past videos, it's just insane how my hair has been taking off. I've been through a lot these past few years, and through it all, my hair is still growing, it's still thriving, and I'm thankful for that. That's one thing that I do have a little bit of pride and joy in, because I do put some TLC into my hair. And I also want to say, I cannot forget to add that I did actually pray over my hair. You know, you got to be practical, you got to be real, and I wanted my hair to grow, and I wanted it to grow how I wanted it to grow. So I asked God to grow my hair out and make it look better, make it look bomb, and some may say it's vain, but to me it was just something I wanted to do. It was a journey, and I want to be successful. So I asked for God's help, so He really hooked me up, and He's still doing it. My hair is still growing, and I'm thankful for that. Don't ever underestimate the power of prayer. Now, for those of you who are wondering what's a good styling tool to use, I really love this BaByLiss Pro 1-inch Nano titanium flat iron. I've been using this for years, and it has not given out on me. It gives me amazing results, and this is honestly my best flat iron. I really believe that my hair reacts the best and responds the best to titanium plates, so that is what I've been sticking to over the years. Another thing I like about titanium plates is it makes my hair very soft, and it doesn't snag my hair when I'm flat ironing, and so it's really great on my hair. I don't feel like I have to cut my ends as much. Like my ends aren't frayed. I really like how sleek it just keeps my hair, and so titanium for me is the way to go. I went ahead and fast forwarded through a lot of the flat ironing, seeing as though it's a repetitive motion, and once you do it, you get it. And so if you have any questions about flat ironing, definitely leave them in the comment section below. I just feel like this process, I have so many videos of me flat ironing my hair. Just be careful when you're styling your hair. Make sure that you protect it. Use heat protectant. Kind of stay away from adding product to your hair before you flat iron it if you want to have a sleek look. Alright, so here is the finished result of my flat iron. If you want to get it more sleek, definitely wrap it, and you can just wrap it for maybe 20 minutes and then take the wrap off and your hair will be bomb. Otherwise, you can just wear it straight like this and then just wrap it at night. Now for me, on my first day of wearing my hair, I like to wrap it just to give it more of a shiny look. So it's kind of fluffy, and it's a little too fluffy for my liking. So I'll show you guys what I do to make it look a little bit more sleek. To get rid of the fluffiness, I do use a little bit of this Argan Oil of Morocco oil by Organix, and I rub my hands together and just apply it from root to tip on my hair, and I feel like this makes my hair look like second day flat iron hair, which is better for me than the first day. And so I just apply this to my hair, and then I wrap it in the direction that I have my hair laying. So I don't like to do a beehive. I like to wrap it and use bobby pins to set it. And then I add a scarf, and then I remove the bobby pins from underneath. So after leaving my hair wrapped for about 20 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and remove my scarf. Now, if you don't wrap your hair the right way, you do kind of add some bumps to your hair. So that was my bad, but you can definitely fix it with a flat iron. I recommend not flat ironing your hair every day, so make sure that you wrap it the right way the first time so you can avoid that. Alright, so this is what my hair looks like. I did notice I had a little bit more bumpage in the back, which I fixed after I finished recording this video. But this is what my results look like. I hope you guys like it. Feel free to leave comments in the comment section below if you have any questions about my hair process and what I've been doing. But thank you guys so much for watching. Alright guys, so here is my hair completely styled, flat ironed, and I have fully transitioned to natural. So this is my hair and how it looks as of right now. I do prefer to wear my hair straight, which I love. It's easier for me to maintain. But yeah, so if you guys like this style, please make sure that you subscribe so that we can stay connected and that you don't miss an upload from me. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!